Good evening. Okay.
Yes.
What am I going to do?
And we're gonna do unboxing my hubby gift for me.
Yeah. You've not seen it yet, have you?
Yeah, but I think you have an idea
Right. I
already
think you know
because
what
of
it
the
is,
box.
but you don't know what it looks like.
But we will show you guys.
I've just opened the box, but she didn't video me opening the box.
Yeah, we will show you guys what it is.
Right, I hope you like this.
Yeah. It better be like it.
I got a special colour for you.
Yeah, pink.
Did you see the pink?
Yes, my color.
How do you know it was pink?
Because it's my favorite color. It's pink. Yeah.
You must have thought when I opened it up there. Oh, I've just kicked the box.
Yeah.
Little cushion. Little cushion.
I'm so lucky today. I have Christmas bonus and a gift.
Oh, Christmas balls. There's the back of it.
Wow.
Pink. Do you like the pink?
That's lovely. Yes. This is gonna be my new computer chair. Very nice. And what's that?
A spacer.
Is that empty?
Yeah, it's just a spacer.
Let me guess, that's the
feet.
Yeah. Oh, I can see hubby's bum.
Looking like foam.
I like that box. It's big.
Right, before I showed you, I wanted to actually have a look to see what tools I needed.
Tools for what? In there?
Well,
They're probably complete tools now.
well, man, it's not IKEA stuff, you know.
Yeah, but I think it is.
What you think?
Yeah.
All right.
That's a big space needed. That's a bigger than the massage chair.
Oh gosh, this is going to take ages. You're going to video me put it up?
Yeah, I can fast forward them. Like I can speed them up. Don't worry, it's still.
Yeah, you might have to pause a little bit.
Then I think I clicked the. No, that's okay because that's only 4 minutes. I need more than that.
What 4 minutes?
No.
Alright, it's still recording.
This do you, Mama?
That's just the back of the chair. The up and down bit of the chair. So I'm box over here.
I can see Santa. How much is it? Ah, I don't want to tell you how much it is.
Put some things up boxes, little packs. I have to let that go through. That's weird.
I hope that's comfy like the massage chair.
What, sorry?
I hope that's comfortable like the massage chair.
It seemed like this when I was sitting on it.
Oh, when did you see that?
I think I went to a scared. I've seen it. I went, oh, that's nice, I went in there. Oh, that's it.
Where did you put it? It's not B&M.
Yeah, no. I'm going to buy for it next week. I'm not going to be in there.
Where is it? Upwards? How?
You keep asking us if we want, but I'm not going to tell you.
Oh, PC World.
PC World.
Yeah? Is it?
Yeah. And I don't want good price. This is the last one.
What's that Black Friday sale?
Well, it was £200.
Now you're telling me.
Alright, and I got for quite a lot off. It's the last one.
Oh.
Right. Find out all.
So now. Can you move a little backwards so we don't see what's on telly?
Do you want to turn the TV off?
No, it's no music, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah, but turn the TV improver.
And that's why I'm trying not to show them.
I don't want to turn the volume down a little. You never learn, do you?
You turn it off!
Yeah, you're not doing three things at the same time.
Ano ba yan? On the first day of Christmas, my true love sent to me a partridge in the
play for
tree.
you.
On the second day of Christmas, my true love sent to me a flower pot, which is in the coffee table now.
Oh, the two.
Hmm.
It's not flower pot.
No, them too. On the third day of Christmas, my true love gave me 500 pounds.
There's a Christmas present for you.
What's that?
I have no idea what's in it at all.
No. Right, that is a right. Whatever is that? Oh, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D.
I think you may have to pause this music. I may have to sit with it.
You're not tired from work?
Yeah, but I've been up all day doing this.
Mm-hmm.
I put things together.
And you like making noise in the middle of the night, huh?
I'm going to do for the middle of the night. What do you mean by that?
It's 11 o'clock at night now.
What do you mean by the night? Right, I have to get you to read some of these instructions. So.
What instructions?
Oh, it was very easy as well.
Yeah, but there's not much space in there. Oh, they're easy to bring down the Christmas decorations. Oh, where did you put your gift to me?
What gift?
The gorilla pod.
It's upstairs on the bed.
Oh.
It's in one of the...
Your face looks ready. Camera.
Well, I am ready because the heating's on.
No, it's not on.
Why is it so warm?
It was on earlier. You need the Allen key. Handsome. Wow, you're guapo, diba?
I'm guapo.
Handsome. Pogi. Are you pogi? Huh? Look at your tummy. Oh, big. You're pregnant too?
This t-shirt makes me look like a rugby gun.
I told you you don't have any.
You're not?
You did not read my message.
I didn't actually. When did you say it? Was I driving?
No, while in your canteen. I did tell you that. You should know that because I told you last night is too. That's the last two.
I can't wait to see how you sneak it up.
Speak Tagalog mo.
Hindi.
Hindi. Hindi ko alam.
Kumusta?
Kumusta po? Magandang gabi. They can tell you're tall. Your hands.
I'm bent over.
No, your arms is longer.
Yeah.
Now you gotta attach in the. I think there's another one missing in that. Is that all?
Oh, this little bit. There's this little which goes under the chair. Right? And there's the arm which goes on the side.
H-R-W-W-R-R-Q.
Curiosity, wait. Where's the arms? Look for where's the arms screw into?
What arms?
The arm, it says arms. These?
I think it's not yet, yeah?
Yeah, right. No, where do they connect on the chair? Have a look.
In here.
Oh, right, underneath. Right. Right, so what am I doing first?
The bottom first.
Bottom first before the arms.
This one first.
Right, then which way? It's easier said than done. Alright. Oh,
don't hurt your
Not
back.
doing back, it's just...
How can you carry them upstairs? Mahal, it's too heavy.
No.
No, Mahal.
I'm sorry?
That's not right.
It's right.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Oh. Oh, right. So it goes back. That was a weird one. And you have to cover them.
How are you feeling, sir? Is it comfortable?
Yeah. I don't know, almost down here. Yeah, one goes down here, one goes. Yeah, that goes back here.
I don't like that one.
Which one? I think this one actually goes there.
No, I think that's the bottom one. Yeah. Oh yeah, I think you're right. Because that's a long one. That's still in the book, how to attach them.
Yeah. So this, the little one, yeah.
The softer one, yeah?
It's easier said than done. And this is the... Just let me see how this goes.
Must be, put that later on, that must be uncomfortable, that one.
I think that goes through. You still with me?
Yeah. And then on the top, oh, short. It's done. Can you carry them upstairs though?
Yeah. I'm not saying I'm going to be too nice. And then that's this round the way we want it to be.
Yeah. Good. Sit down, sir. Is it good, sir?
Oh, yeah.
That must be good if it's massage chair.
Oh, right. Can I have a cup of tea then?
Yeah, make your own tea. But it's too late now, Mahal.
Oh, I'm having a cup of tea, whether you think it's late or not. Right.
Bye-bye, guys. That's all.
I did actually want you to be sitting in it, not me. Right.
Bye, guys.